Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So in this video I am going to talk about TCS round 2 HR interview update. So right now TCS conducting two rounds of interview. First one is round 1, okay, in which you are giving the TR and MR interview round. After completing your TR and MR of round 1 interview, then after you will receiving a round 2 HR interview. If you are receiving a HR round 2 interview, it means you are qualified for the TR and MR round, and 110% you are going to be qualified for the HR round also, because HR round is not a elimination round. In this video I'm also going to share the TCS interview experience of one of my subscriber who shared their interview experience of 11th of November. So today is 12th of November, okay. So yesterday they shared with me, okay. So I will share with you all, okay. So this type of mail you will receive after completing your round 1 of a TCS interview if you qualified for the round 1, okay. This mail you receive, it means you are qualified for the TCS, sir. You are proud of a TCS, sir, because there is a very low chances of getting rejected in TCS round 2. Sir, in which cases I will supposed to rejected in round 2 if you are not meeting their eligibility criteria, like education gap 2 years, percentage criteria, sir, 60%, 10, 12 and graduation, no active backlog, and nothing more, okay. So this 4 you can just see if you are meeting their eligibility criteria or not. Four main. First of all is you are passing out is 2019 to 2021, okay. Second one is no active backlog. Third one is you have a 60% criteria in 10, 12 and graduation and all. And fourth criteria is your education gap not more than 24 months. If you are satisfying this all the criteria, then you are a proud TCSer now, okay. So just check the mail what they will send you if you are qualified round 1. Getting home Tata Consultancy Services, congratulations on being shortlisted for TCS off-campus round 2 interview process. We are glad to inform you that you are now one closer to becoming a proud TCSer. You are committed to giving a great interview experience. Hence, you would like to share some information and instruction as below. Request you to below the enjoying seamless 11th November 2021 Thursday video mode. Or this round 2 interview you can also give on mobile phone also, okay. Join your computer or mobile phone. Kindly join the event time slot through the link provided. You can wait in the lobby until the panelist accept your joining request, okay. So this type of mail you will receive, okay. So here is the interview experience of the HR round. Like first question they will ask you from, like I'm just taking the white letter, yes. HR interview experience, how was your day? First question, okay. They will ask you, just they will make you comfortable, okay. Just feel comfortable, that's what they will ask you. This type of question. Did you had a breakfast? Okay, because their interview is morning slot. Introduce yourself, what hard work you did, what career you did, when you will able to join, prior location, vaccinated, no document verification. So this I already discussed from my starting that TCS, there is a low chance that they will check your document verification. Why? Because they have already your document in TCS next step portal. They will fetch from there, okay. That's why they are not taking, because in document verification there is almost 1 or 2 minutes they will required for the checking document verification. But you already know that currently TCS hiring in mass, okay, bulk hiring. That's why they are not taking lots of time in round 2, because round 2 is not a elimination round, okay. This is a very easy to qualify, okay. But just prepare your resume, your skills, your communication skills, your weakness and strength, what you will see after 5 years. These types of basic questions they will ask you, okay, nothing else, okay. So TCS in round 2 interview, no, okay. Tips and tricks I already discussed. Just prepare your communication skills, your just basic question which I just shared, okay. And keep calm and be just be calm and don't hurry, like they not tell them any question in hurry manner, like yes sir. No, just calm and keep and say the answer in very calmly, because you are not selected, okay. So don't do these mistakes. When TCS declared after offer letter or HR round, it will take this will take 7 to 10 days to declare your offer letter or joining letter. Maybe you will receiving a joining date of 18th November, because 18th November most of my subscriber got joining date on 18th of November and 22nd, I think 23rd of November. So it may be chances that you will all receive your joining date or joining letter or offer letter end of this month, okay. So heartily congratulations to all of you who are got selected right now in TCS, because round 2 is not an elimination round. You are going to be selected, okay. So if you have any doubts still, then ask in my comment section. मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.